Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create a 5-minute journal in Notion. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, for this you need to get logged in into your Notion account. So once you are logged in into your Notion account, you can simply either start your journal from scratch or even use a pre-made template from the Notion template gallery. So you can find this option called choose a template. Simply go there and simply tap on simple journal. Once you have selected the template, you can simply start creating a 5-minute journal. You can browse the template, select it, and simply use your own customization in this template as well. Now you can insert your prompts like what you want to write in your journal and create a 5-minute journal and set it as default. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching. We will be back again really soon.